Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll see how to use the object snap in AutoCAD software. So I'll open the software. I'll be using the AutoCAD 2020 version. If you're using some other version, that's okay. There are no major changes in any of the versions. And I'll click on Start Drawing. And now we are on a new drawing area. So the object snap is available in the status bar over here, as you can see. So if you're not able to see the object snap option in the status bar, you can come to the customization button here and click on it, and you can find it over here, 2D object snap. Just click on it. If you see this right mark beside the option, that means it is available in the status bar. So I'll click on the customization button again to lose the menu. As you can see, the object snap option is on here currently. So I'll switch it off now. You can even use the function key F3 from the keyboard to switch it on and off. So I'll click on it and it is off now. So I'll draw a simple line. Now just imagine I want to draw a perpendicular line from the midpoint of this line. So I come to the line again and I have to find the midpoint of this line. But how do I find that? Well, I can somehow find the midpoint of this line using the tools available in AutoCAD software, but it will take a lot of time. But what if I use the object snap? So let us turn on the object snap. I click on it. Now let me come to the line option again and I move the cursor near to the line. So as I move towards the line, it shows the end point of the line, and again when I move rightwards, it shows the midpoint of the line. Again when I move rightwards, it again shows the end point. So I wanted a perpendicular line from the midpoint. So I'll come to the midpoint here, just click there. So the line will start from the midpoint and I'll draw a line and I'll place it over here. So I was able to find out the midpoint easily, right? So it would have been difficult without the object snap on, right? So again I'll draw a circle and I'll switch off the object snap. Just imagine I want to draw one line from the center point of the circle. So I come to the line option and I start finding the center point of the circle. Well, I'm not able to find it. However, I move my cursor. But what if you turn on the object snap? I turn it on. So now when I move the cursor or the crosshair near the circle, I can see the center point of the circle. So I place my cursor over there and I start drawing one line. Easy, right? So the object snap helps you to find out different points available in a drawing. So always keep the object snap on, and if you click on this arrow here next to the object snap, you can see which are the points that you want to see. So there are a number of points. So don't turn on all the points. The software will get confused. Maybe you can switch on up to 5 points, such as endpoint, midpoint, center, geometric center, and intersection, or as you like. Got it? So whichever the point has this right mark beside that, it will be shown from the drawing while you work. Got it? So if you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.